Today we are going to talk about a few more examples on the custom controller. So let's go and create an Apex class for that. Create a new class. Public class C3. Let's say list of count channel accounts. Select name, type, industry, phone, fax from account where type equals customer channel. Alright, so here in the query I have put a query where type equals customer channel. So only the records where the type is customer channel, those will be displayed. And I'll create a get method for this. Public. So return type is going to be list of account. Return. Okay. So that's my class. The class is ready. Now let me create a visual force page there. I'm going to call that class as a controller here. C3. Okay. And for displaying the list of data, I'll use again the page block table. So we put it like Apex page block. Apex page block table. Value will be, what will be value? Name of the method, right? Without the get keyword, the name of method. And variable can be anything. Apex column value a dot name type. Can you guys hear me? My voice is clear, audible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so we have got this list. Just that in this list, I have put a criteria that only the records where the type is customer channel, those records should be displayed. Correct. So now it shows me only the records where the type is customer channel, those records are being displayed. All right. Okay. Let me extend this example. Let's say I have one more variable here. So list of account direct accounts equals select name type industry phone fax from account where type equals direct customer direct. Okay, now since I've defined one more variable here, for this variable to be returned I need one more method, one more get method. Public list of account okay, what is the error?
The two commas, Ji. Select name के
The
बाद
comma is two times.
Good. Okay, so the code is ready. Right now I have two different get methods. Here what I can do is I can call these two different get methods, and for those I can have two page block tables. Like I have the first one ready, I can create the second one also. Apex page block table value apex column value Right, so my code is done, right? I've called two tables here, first one and the second one. See, first one is only for the channel customer channel records, and second one is only for the customer direct records. Fine. So this is how we can actually control. If you see in with a custom controller, you have the full control of what you want to display, where you want to display, how you want to display, right? Which all fields you want to bring in, which all fields you don't want to bring in, what kind of a criteria you want to put, everything can be queried there, right? So the way data is being displayed is, kind of in control, in completely control of the controller or the code that you're writing, right? The Apex code that you're writing, that is controlling it, right? This was not the case with a standard controller. In standard controller, you had to work with a standard list. Fine. Again, for standard list controller, we just saw that standard list controller works for only few objects. Which all objects the standard list controller works with? Anyone who has that list of objects? I told you one of the sessions. I gave you a list of objects for which the standard list controller is available.
It works for account, asset, campaign, case, contact, contract, idea, lead, opportunity, order, product to, and solution.
So standard list controller works only for those objects. What about other objects? For other objects, it does not work, right? So, but if you're writing a custom controller, it can work for any object. Got it? Just that you have to make sure that you are able to write the correct query. And the field names and the object names and everything that you're using is correct. So then it should be okay. Then it should not be a problem. Okay. Shefali, you were trying to create a list of some object, no? What was that list? Shefali, you there? I don't know if you can hear. All right. Sure. So let's do a quick, activity. So, Shiva has a question. Shiva says, can we use as some attribute to sort the data? So for sorting the data, again, that's something which you should have done in the query itself, right? So your query should be written, and in the query there should be a sort clause. Fine. So that's how it is. No, Shefali, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Don't know if there's some problem with your microphone. Okay. So let's do a quick activity. Quick activity. We will create a list of closed won opportunities and closed lost opportunities. Fine. I'm going to create two tables: list of closed won opportunities and closed lost opportunities. All right. That's what I want you to do. Closed won opportunities, closed lost opportunities. Okay, two tables, and the fields that I want to see are the name, amount, stage, and close date. Let's say these fields. So can we quickly do this activity? Very quick. So I'm showing the code here on the visual force. Sorry, on my screen. Just refer to it and create the page. Two tables for opportunities, one with the closed won opportunities, the other with the closed lost opportunities. Yeah, so you guys have created the page with closed won opportunities and then closed lost opportunities, right? What if I want to have one list where closed won as well as closed lost opportunities should be covered, both of them? Fine, let's say, I just want to create a page which will have two options. All open opportunities. Open opportunity should have all the stage names except the closed one and closed lost, and closed opportunity should have the stage name closed one and closed lost. Okay.
So, sorry, one list with
All
type.
opportunities which are open and one list with all opportunities which are closed. So closed opportunity will include closed one as well as closed lost. So let's create it. Public class C5 list of opportunity, let's call it open ops, is equal to select name, amount, stage name from opportunity where stage name in. Okay, so if you are trying to put multiple values there, you should say stage name in, and then prospecting uh, what all other stage names are there? Prospecting, qualification, needs analysis. One second, I'll just quickly get you the syntax for this. curly brackets, that's fine. And this should also be curly bracket. Yep. Yes, exactly this way. So you just have to, put it this way. So prospecting, qualification, and whatever you want to put, that those values you should put separated by commas. Needs analysis and in case you have negotiation, so all these will come under the open ops. Okay, same way I'm going to define one more for closed ops. Right, for closed ops the criteria will be only the closed one and closed lost. Closed one, closed lost. Fine. Now since I have two variables here, I'll just need to get methods. Okay, and rest I think you guys know what to do. So creating two get methods from here, let's say public list of opportunity get ops, return open ops. In the same way, one more get method for the closed ops. Fine. So that's it. That's all that we have to do. Correct, and after that it's just a matter of going and creating the pages on the Visualforce or creating the tables on the Visualforce page. Correct. So that's what we're going to discuss today. Tomorrow once we meet, we are going to talk about another type of a method, which is a page reference method, and we will see how we can use that in similar kind of examples and what benefit that brings in. Right.